Baba usikhosana siyakubingelela.
Yeah.
Usikhosana mbani?
Usikhosana yimi.
Usikhosana nguwe.
Usikhosana yimi.
Long Sagazon, nowhere to see Sagaze,
Salve guys, we are back again with another sit down.
Yeah, except with another
sit down.
Sit down.
What's the topic?
So topic today is there are questions which girls are afraid to ask the gents. Okay. So we did a Q&A and then the girls bafaka ama questions abo. Imibuzo. And then
sizazama ukuyiphendula ngeqiniso.
Ngeqiniso ukuthi silitshele ukuthi fere ihamba.
Yabona into yakhona.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So let's get into it, without wasting any time. Yeah.
Number one.
Before we do anything, please
don't forget to subscribe.
Number one.
Tshela abangani bakho batshela abangani babo. Mhlawumbe ifaka WhatsApp status uthumele bonke umuntu. Nje yabona lathi siyafuna ukufika ama ntonton K.
Why is it that you gents are now so reliant on women? Like, what happened to hustling? 50-50 buffet.
I have a question. What is a gender equality? Imagine.
Rest, bafowethu, rest.
Sesiphila ku 21st century bathi 50-50 gender equality. Umfazi le ndoda kuyafana yabo. So lathi amadoda siyafuna utshela
abasiphatha right.
Yeah.
Esabafonela bethi no guys uyabezosithanda.
We no longer want to date broke women. So if you're broke,
nabantu abahamba ngenyawo njengezilwana sibafuna. Lathi sifuna
amasle queen.
Lathi sifuna amasle
lezimoto batangala nyoka.
But ngiyabuza lapho ukuthi what's the perfect gift? Perfect gift mntwana.
Yabona lento yama socks le so many iphelele.
Disclaimer.
So many iphelele.
Asemeni ngama socks.
Ungifebele mina bengikwenze bengimenzele yonke into. Ekhuluma ngama socks. Sebaye bakuthena ama socks wena. Ifeeling ngayazi yokuthi wena uthenge ama Gucci kwathini ama ring ama necklace
ngaze ngenze ukuya ngazokugqokisa what
then wena bese kube kuthengela ama socks
stocking ama socks.
So is the thought that counts. Okay, if it's the thought that counts indawo ithought ingacountanga kumele mina ngithenge gift.
When is counters ngaso
gender equality. Imagine if you started buying a cars.
Rest bafowethu, rest.
So uthi, why aren't you circumcised? Yabana
awumlethe lapho umoyo.
Illustration ayinomuntu probably yasebeza.
Bathi moyo bakubuza lapha bathi why but yabona umoyo nganosokiwe.
Umoyo isoki wona uboni.
So bathi moyo mayingasukanga kabe
uvaleke.
But why ungasukanga? Basithi umoyo ngasukanga. Moyo wayengasukanga. Umoya aphendula athi ungavuka kuthiwa amadoda asoke yonke abulawa. Umuntu ongasukanga le option ukuthi okay mina ngiyasurvive. Wathi wonke amajita angasokwanga abulawa. Umoya futhi unjani? Le option ukuthi kanjani? Asumi. Yabo. So plus ngiyabona nxa uqanda lapha
umoya uyagodola akala ngwani.
Yabona
ibucket
amajita angasekamsayizwa ngalingamfakazeli ukuthi ikwesibe lokwenzakala.
But kula ama advantages manje ukuthi umoya abe nje sonke.
Yeah, in terms of cleanliness,
is trial. Tone.
Wabana. Shit.
Okay, is trial ladies, pop and force.
So I know this trial, but hard, but
pop and force. So yeah, like more so you pop and force. Ayiko clean. Yabo. But nxa ukuthi lawa phela locally nudge geza make sure ukuthi ugeza times 3
because
yabo because
hey kufana lenwele ekhanda kuyinkwethu stuff
don't
like that,
yabo,
yabo.
like-
But umuntu olempawanga vele yabe clean yabe sweet.
Eniyabona uRafu uzima. Inkomo idla ichapisi.
Why you vibe with me and then make me believe you're into me, then just when I'm falling for you, you start slacking. Athi uyamchaza, ethi mayisechazelile sovila lapha.
hey okunye like ziningi izinto lezi yabo ngama factors amaningi yabo time these days I want to sibonana social media sachayisana
Hayi,
ngivibe hayi yabona
Free.
then all of a sudden sesihlangana ngikhangela ifoni
Ena,
khangela ifoni
uthi kungaba isihlobo sakhe.
nguyena lo
But yena isuwe.
but ngani ubona ukuthi sibilandi akulo omunye umuntu okhona lapho umele
Yabucabanga ukuthi maybe uthumele usisi wakhe ukuthi a-check i-cost ukuthi uyinash before yena ephuma like maybe usele emotweni or something.
lapho lento esharp dilanga la ngikona oyizwi right iperfume kuphela
Okunye
but umkhangelo ubona kufa izinto ezinjalo yabo
na
that's why qhathekile kuma video call
uthi
uyabona
uqalela uzumane like uqala
Izumane,
umbone
yabo.
like 99.
bakho kusonga contribute ekuthini why mjidas like leyo kade lichata online then lihlangani linga vibe because omnye wena uyi catfish
Hebana.
I energy nje ayikho
Ayikho.
Like,
Yeah, sometimes you like into le nesilungu bathi subjective. Ya umuntu uyachaza subjective. Sikhiwa fa.
Usifunda ngapha isikhiwa sonke lesi sikhuluma isikhiwa wena
Hanti wawunishaya lesakho last week.
aya this week akuphi akuphi
So anyway, benza khuluma ukuthi into le kuya ngabantu nje. Sami ngumuntu uyambona le vibe but mase liqoqa lapha energy yangikhona ingabi like ama interests. Abanye bala ama interest kanjani njani yabo. Subjective. Faithfully commit to a no sex relationship. Can you?
First of all, I'm a virgin, guys, so into engizijayeleyo lezi yabona ukuthi hayi no phela si ucansi yabana ngolabadala into zocansi abadala
Into zokwenza.
so intombi mayisithi nosekisi thini kukuyisi but the problem now yiba khona most of the times usuyivumile leyo ukuthi hayi sibili nosekisi kwathini
Sure.
dugu she's pregnant
Uze sokuthi uyahlelwe
manje
okwenzakale
sokukhanya usushaya i-depression
uyabe sesithi okwenzakale kuMerika okwenzakale kuye.
so mina ngithi nani hayi yabona kusharp like ngalivumelana lonke lo member wakho liyakwanisa sibili ukuthi linjani commit to a relationship enjalo. But most of the times umjida mawukuthi ube active vele lo chere active once lahlangana nje
Like vele we together like so.
zigi pata hayi ngoba
And also any problem ukuthi like kuthi riyakhuluma like ama first days ukuthi no mina ngishaya i-things nandi my sister yabo but so siya nomjida akhuluma ukuthi like mina manje ngiyashaya but still when uvume yabo ukuthi usithi yeah uthi uyashaya of course but like ule mali but like
uthi uyashaya vele
The
ladies
ladies-
umjida the moment esithi uyashaya
wena mawungashaya
mawunga vele because
Yeah, but-
into lana iyathelela ulaka
but wena mawe ukuthi game la game
yabo but vele most of the times amajida mayizathi shy but yena active yo bakufebela nguwe labanye
lapha cha khona beautiful face and work body or beautiful body and work face.
akulanto confusing njengo sis ole but then
Kungekho wisi.
fale inkazane enhle kodwa enokumlomo
Leyo manje ya confuse kule khona konke khona okukolwemele.
but anyways awula muntu omubi kuthiwani
Ilo
ilo ntombo
ungavumi ukuba mumbi ilo ntombo ilo sisi
like vele zonke izinto nje
wathi wena unguwo right ukhetha nomzimba preference yakho wena umzimba face mobiza body suma mngamba kubona
hayi but umngami phela manje sukuma babonani
ubonini
babone face
ubona izinto sukuma mngamba kubona
hayi but umngami phela baqale bakhanga lubuso
kambe
ukuthi ngalo so wena umuntu uyathalaza uhluhambe phakathi
kodwa ukuthi sibili ipheluza phela nje
phela alright asenze so le workboard yangikhona nti
asuka la phansi
uhambe la but umuntu phela my face yakhe isu yakhavisa ezinye izinto lazi sengagqoka right
plazano ukuthi face yabo sesicabangela lezi zinto ezinjengabantwana
isizukulwane
bona izizukulwane
alright see why do men cheat unzima nje unzima
but loyal guys
we are loyal
amajita ebukele lapho amajita loyal njengami comment section lapha sibatshengiselo sisilabo ukuthi no
we are loyal guys
sisasekhona ngo2020 amajita loyal
bosiseli funa abantu abaloyal siyaqalela khona la lihambela ku comment section
yabo ngisase available
yawazi
sengingavuka ngekho
phela into zenzakala
aya
when you don't feel like having sex
yabona
bathi bayacaphuka nxa bengancithu
into le sex le yiyo esikhweze ama rape cases amaningi
kakhulu nje
kuzwa how many years later my girl coming out saying as ban rape me is because of such things ukuthi wena mjidi yazonda umntana abantu makade ngafunda
kafuni nje
ayingafuna
kafuni like kungafuni
ungaforce izinto consent iqakathekile sihlobo zami ukuthi livumelane ukuthi njoba selivele lisenza into zenu yabo livumelane lani bosisi futhi umjida mayengafuni kafuni
sivumelane
kafuni it's not like ngwe wonke umjida ofunayo
labanye ayisikho ukuthi
uyabona awuchere time bale mentality ukuthi wonke umjida vele
hayi umoya uzithulela into embona
wena no that's not the case but consent vele ungazondeli into aso yakho khamba ugeza wena izithwala zakho ungazondeli into yomunye vele ungazibona suzonda ukuthi awutholanga kwathini no problem
big one
yes very big problem
rent a Christian boyfriend.
Anyways, guys, thank you very much for tuning in, for watching this video. Yazi yaphela. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bakithi benkosi. And please watch.
Kakopa too. Please watch this video. Comment if related to izinto ezikhulumayo. Just comment below. Don't just watch.
So comment, like, subscribe,
comment, share the link, WhatsApp status, bonke, ama ex, like
wateke, maybe take Instagram. You can take us on Instagram.
Road to 1K subscribers.
Exactly.
We're starting, guys. Hashtag road to 1K subscribers. Just 1K, guys.
Before Hamba, kungena message lapha. Utawulezi nsuku uyarent ama boyfriend. To rent a Christian boyfriend for Christmas gathering.
A Christian boyfriend. Are you a Christian boyfriend?
Yeah.
I'm a Christian boyfriend.
So
guys,
rent us.
Leave a comment, ladies, if you want to rent a boyfriend. She comment lapho. But anyways, guys, Sultana, thank you very much for watching. Abafikela ekugcineni lapha. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ungafika ngekugcineni lakho. Fusek.
Andivela ubona.
Awubonanga so zizomba into nguthethisile
xa ubonile lapha awuthethiswa
awubonile awuthethiswa
anti verify.
Siyabonga guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.
Sharp.